Guys, what's up? This is Jack Smiles. I am still fucking around on Destiny because it's Destiny. Claim your ship, claim your ship. I got my ship, I got my ship. Ship. Level 8? Fuck you! Fuck you, you little bastard! Ya frickin' nitty! I remember back in the beta. I played the beta for this, by the way. My other characters, I need to find out if I got the fucking... Oh yeah, I know where I can go to get that. But I actually played the beta for this. I was part of that. It was great. Okay. It was great. It was quite good, okay. But I remember in the beta, you could only go up to like level 12, like level 8. Like your level was 8, and then once you hit level 8, you were good. You're like fucking golden, and I was so fucking happy when I got to level 8 on all my characters.
It will change you.
Woman, what do you want? What was in that fucking ball? I don't want to know where you just shoved that thing to hide it from me.
You will also face the terrors that haunt my dreams.
Lady, you just shoved a weird glowing green ball up your vagina. I don't want to hear shit from you. She's still hot, though. Hey, guy, what's up? Hi, what's up? I like your fucking... Your cloak. Your cloak has a rib cage on it or something? I fucking like that. That's sick. You're a sick fucking motherfucker. You're great, yeah? Let's go do this. I wonder if my guy's still dancing while I'm talking to this guy. He'll just be dancing. How are you, bitch? I want a gun now. Nothing left but the fall. Holiday is a skilled technician. Your ship is restored. Unfortunately, a report says you're missing a warp drive. We need you out in the system, Guardian. Return to the Cosmodrome and find a replacement. That was really good. Continue. Oh, I'm sorry I gave you the wrong voice, Mr. fucking Titan. You deserve to have my voice. Why? Because I'm a fucking badass. Oh, I was still dancing while I was talking to him. I was dancing. 'Cause I'm awesome. Oh, okay. Now I can go to orbit. Wait, I gotta get my emblem. Gotta get the emblem. Let's go a little faster. Let's go. I love this game. It's great.
Start again.
Let's see. What do I have access to here? Gilgamesh. Requires level 20. Fuck! It says activities. I've got it unlocked. I just can't use it. Requires level 20, requires level 20. Well, you know what? Fine. Fucking... I'm fucking collecting them anyway. Why? Because fuck you, that's why. As for this, let's do this. I want my fucking emblems. Class starter, vendors, promotional. I'm gonna pick up my founders and elders stuff because I'm beta. I'm beta as shit. I'll be beta as shit, man. I'll do that while I'm... I'll do the whole equipping my stuff while I'm in a loading screen. Fucking loading screen. Oh, no, we're good. We're good. Okay, set destination for Earth. The Divide. Level 2. Fine. Since I can only do level 2. Let's go.
There's so little left out here. We were lucky to even find this ship. A Guardian can't do much to protect the city without one. But it needs a warp drive if we ever hope to fight beyond Earth. And that Cosmodrome is the only place I know where we might still find one. We survived the Fallen once. We can do it again. A Guardian ship was recently shot down here. If the Fallen haven't gotten to it, there might be parts we can salvage.
Good. Cave. Cave. Chest? No. Damn it. Let's go this way. Dun 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 dun. Hello, sir. Have you ever experienced the healing powers of Michael Bay? Oh, wait, that's non-explosive. Michael Bay! Michael Bay! Michael Bay, Michael Bay. Full throttle! Bitch! And let's let my ghost take care of this.
The ship's avionics are completely catatonic, but I can code their last transmission. They've managed to restore an information hub here, down in the tunnels below. We should check it out.
Da-da-dum. Da-da-da-da-da. Fuck you, forearm, bitch. I like how they have 4 arms, but they don't use 2 guns. Wouldn't that be a good idea, guys? Why don't you use 2 assault rifles to attack me with? Give me some fucking challenge! Level up! Now you're even less of a challenge! Get wrecked, bitches. Get wrecked. Okay, so upgrade. Let's go for it. Oh, the glide. I gotta glide. I gotta glide. Because fuck you, I gotta glide. Look at me. Look at me. Float like a butterfly. Sting like a bee. Because fuck you. Where did he go? Where did Swordman go? Where did Swordman go? Fuck. I don't feel comfortable about this situation. Swordman is gone. Oh, I think I killed him. Oh, cool. And come on.
What we really need to find is a warp drive, so we can jump to any planet or moon. Our only hope is where we found our ship. We have to go back.
I have to go back. You want me to go back to that fucking place? You remember the big guy that was sitting there? Oh, great. We're gonna have to deal with him. So, video's ending. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!